everyone. Today we're designing a clean, professional magazine-style cover from scratch, perfect for portfolios, posters, or branding mock-ups. This tutorial is all about layout balance, text hierarchy, and visual storytelling. Start with a vertical canvas. Choose a high-quality portrait or object photo as your main subject and position it slightly off-center to create natural breathing room. Add a soft gradient overlay behind the subject to give it more separation from the background. Next, bring in your headline text. Use bold, modern typography, think thick sans serif fonts. Place the title near the top, but ensure it doesn't collide with your subject's face. Add supportive subheadings on the sides using smaller